What if the biggest problem slowing down your fleet operation is not transportation, but the way your buses are being cleaned every day? For many transport companies, bus cleaning is often treated as a routine task, something simple, repetitive, and operational. But when you step back and look closely, inefficient cleaning system can quietly create major problems across the entire business. Delays in vehicle turnaround, inconsistent cleaning quality, rising labor costs, and operational bottleneck all add up over time. And the larger the fleet becomes, the harder these problems are to control. That's why many modern transport companies are now changing the way they think about bus process. They no longer see it as just maintenance. They see it as part of operational efficiency and long-term business scalability. Over the years, after working with transport operators and studying modern work facilities, we noticed something interesting. The company operating most effectively usually apply the same core strategy, regardless of country or fleet size. And today, I want to share 5 smart ways many transport companies are improving bus cleaning efficiency through automation and smarter operational systems. The first is reducing dependency on manual labor. Traditional bus processes often require multiple workers, long cleaning time, and constant supervision to maintain quality. But labor challenges are increasing everywhere. Stop-starters and rising labor costs, inconsistent performance, and employee turnover creating ongoing operational pressure. Modern automated bus process systems have reduced those problems significantly by creating a repeatable and standardized cleaning process. Instead of relying entirely on manpower, companies can maintain consistent cleaning quality with fewer operational disruptions. The second strategy is improving turnaround time. In transportation, time directly affects revenue. Every bus waiting to be cleaned manually is time lost from active operation. High-performance transport companies understand that vehicle flow matters just as much as vehicle cleanliness. That's why automated systems are designed to clean large buses quickly and efficiently without sacrificing quality. A bus enters the system dirty and leaving within minutes, ready for the next route. Faster cleaning means more vehicles moving, fewer delays, and smoother daily operation. The third strategy is creating consistency across the fleet. One of the most common problems with manual washes is inconsistency. Some buses are cleaning properly, while others receive buses of incomplete cleaning depending on workload, staffing, or timing. Over time, that inconsistency affects the company's image and customer perception. Modern bus wash systems solve this by standardizing the process. Every vehicle receives the same cleaning quality every time, and for a transport company, focus on professionalism, consistency is extremely important. The fourth strategy is improving the customer experience through cleaner fleet presentation. Today, passengers notice detail. Clean buses create a stronger first impression and build trust before the trip even begins. Whether it's public transportation, tourism coaches, or premium transport service, appearance matters more than many companies realize. Dirty vehicles create the impression of poor maintenance and weak operational standards, while clean and well-maintained buses reflect professionalism, reliability, and operational discipline. Smart transport operators understand that vehicle cleanliness is not just operational, it is part of brand perception. And finally, the fifth strategy is preparing for scalability. This is where automation becomes truly valuable. Many washing systems may function adequately for smaller fleets, but when operation expands, problems grow quickly. More buses require more workers, more management, and more operational coordination. Automated systems allow business to scale more efficiently without dramatically increasing complexity. Whether a company operates 20 buses or 200, the process remains stable, manageable, and repeatable. And this is one of the biggest reasons many large transport operators are investing in automation today. At Go&Go, we design our bus wash systems specifically for real operational environment. We understand the challenge transport companies face every day because these are the exact problem automation is meant to solve. Our systems are built for large buses and coaches over 10 meter long, designed to operate continuously while delivering consistent cleaning performance. reduce labor dependency, and faster operational flow. But more importantly, we believe automation is not just about replacing manual work. It is about building smarter operation for the future. The transportation industry is changing rapidly, and the companies that modernize early often gain the strongest long-term advantage. Cleaner fleets, faster turnaround time, lower operational pressure, and stable infrastructure all contribute to stronger business performance over time. And today, more international buyers are beginning to recognize that high-quality automation solutions are no longer limited to traditional manufacturing market. Vietnam is emerging as a serious player. Its automated vehicle wash technology, delivering practical solutions designed for modern transport operation worldwide. So if your company is currently operating a bus fleet and looking for smarter ways to improve efficiency, reduce operational stress, and modernize your cleaning process, this might be the perfect time to explore automation, because in the future of transportation, operational efficiency will separate companies that thrive from companies that struggle to keep up. If you want to discover how Go&Go automated bus system can help improve your fleet efficiency and support long-term business growth, contact us today or comment below. Let's discuss how smarter automation can transform your transport operation.